Thank you.
This is Kurt Harris, and I feel like over the last 15 years I've pretty much litigated almost every kind of dispute imaginable. I've been in every courtroom in Clark County that I can think of, and a few in Nye. I've been behind the scenes as a clerk for a couple of district judges, and I've kind of seen the behind the scenes look, and I've been on the other side of the bench. I've been on the receiving end of what I thought were some poor judgments. I've been on the receiving end of what I thought were some great judgments, and that I know what a difference a good judicial official can make to the county, to the people that reside therein, and I feel like that with the experience I've had as being an active, aggressive litigator over the last 15 years, that I know how to run a courtroom. I know the rules very well. I think that a lot of the waste and a lot of the expenses could be tied up, or at least could be saved by enforcing the rules that are on the books now and adhering to the Constitution and adhering to the laws of our land. And with that, I think that I would be a very effective judicial officer.
Thank you. I just want to say for the record, one of you is going to be the next judge for Department 26. I should have done this at the very beginning, but could you give us a bio and why the citizens of Clark County should vote for either one of you to be a judge for this department? Let's start off with Gloria Sturman. 1 to 2 minute bio, please.
Okay. Well, again, my name is Gloria Sturman. I've practiced law in Clark County for 27 years, and I've represented a number of different kinds of people in various types of lawsuits, not only personal injury lawsuits, but also business matters. I've tried cases in every state and federal court in Clark County, and I've also presided in both district court and justice court as a pro tem judge. I believe that this experience provides me with a good basis to provide efficient and fair justice to the people of Clark County as their judge in Department 26.
Kurt Harris.
Thank you. My name is Kurt Harris. I've been here in Clark County for approximately 13 years. I went to school at my undergrad was at Brigham Young University. I went to the University of Idaho to law school. I lived in northern Nevada for a year, learning before I came down here to Clark County. I've been here since that time. I've worked in several law firms as a defense attorney, and have done some plaintiff's work as well. Have done very little criminal work, but I kind of have a full spectrum of the law. I started my own firm approximately 7 years ago with 2 partners, and we've been working since that time. We're presently located in Henderson, and we're a firm, general firm, and pretty much take all matters. I've been acting as a arbitrator in the arbitration program over the last few years, and have arbitrated several cases there, and have been an active participant in the community. For the last 3 years, I've been an assistant coach with Coronado High School football team, and coach a Pop Warner team out there. I've coached several baseball teams, and am an active member of the community, and very involved in the Boy Scouts. I'm a scout leader in my troop, and have been part of the community throughout. Have done everything I can to give back to this great community that's given a lot to me. Thank you.
Thank you. Bruce Gale.
Thank you all very much again for your time. Started all back on January 31st, 1955. I was born in Houston, Texas. Spent the first 18 years of my life there, and then went to school off at the University of Texas, Austin, as I said earlier. Got a Bachelor's of Business Administration and Accounting in 1977. My parents moved to Las Vegas in 1975, but I still stayed in Austin and finished my education, then moved here in 77. Again, was an accountant and a CPA. And I think that experience has been a great experience because I can follow the money trail. I audited some of these major hotel casinos in the late 70s, early 80s, and timeshare companies and real estate companies. And this district court judgeship involves complex civil litigation. I can read financial statements, I can find the numbers, I can find the buried stuff, I can sniff everything out. Again, in my 20 years experience as a lawyer, my first job was similar to what Kurt had. I was a judicial law clerk for District Court Judge Michael Wendell. He's since retired in '91, and he was appointed. Then Judge Gates replaced him. That's a great experience. Teaches you civil practice, that was invaluable experience. And then as a lawyer, again, I handle the types of cases, a lot of types of cases that the district court is going to hear, all types of civil cases, real estate, business litigation, probate, trust, criminal matters. And I've also been an arbitrator, and also I am currently an arbitrator and a short trial judge. And to what Kurt said, it's really, really disheartening when you have a good case and you have a bad judge, or you get a bad decision maybe 4 and 32 miles up north, and it's really, really frustrating. And you read, I'm sure you all have read Juice versus Justice. That's the LA Times expose on our judicial system, and it was reprinted in the RJ 4 years ago. My judicial discretion is not for sale. I'm going to be fair and impartial, and you're going to get a fair shake in front of me. I don't care if you don't have 2 nickels to rub together or you're a billionaire. Everyone's going to be treated the same. You're going to be treated with respect, with dignity. I'm going to hear what you have to say. You might not like my decision, might rule against you, but I will be well prepared, and I will apply the law fairly.
Thank you. We'd like to thank you for your time, and thank you for being here.